friends, this question is solution, and देखिए has that solution 2 power 3 power m 3 power 2 power m is solution. The question and m equal to is that solution. Solution is that solution. Solution that log क्या log 2 power 3 power m equal 3 power 2 power m 2 power and log is that 3 power m log 2 equal 2 power m log 3 is that his this constitutional board 2 power and log is 3 power m by 2 power m equal log 3 power 3 log square 2 his solution that a power n by b power n is a by b whole closed in power n. That is the 3 power 2 3 power by 3 by 2 3 by 2 power m equal log 3 by log square log power q and log power square his log by 3 by 2 power 3 and log power 3 and log power 2 is m log and log by 3 by 2 equal log power 3 by log power 2 m log equal 3 by 2 has log 3 by 2 is equal log and log power 3 by log power 2 by log 3 by 2 is m equal m log power 3 log square power log 3 by 2 is that answer the end.